Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Temu on your iPhone. If you are ready to start shopping for amazing deals on everything from gadgets to fashion, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the App Store icon on your home screen. Now open it. Once you are in the App Store, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in Temu. After typing the word Temu, search it. Now tap onto the first icon that pops up, which is Temu. Now tap the Get button. You may need to authenticate the download using Face ID or your Apple ID password. Now double click on your power button and the phone will take your Face ID. Once it's authenticated, the app will begin downloading automatically. Download has been completed. You can see the app on your home screen also. And that's it. You are all set up and ready to start shopping. So that's how you install Temu app on your iPhone. It's super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.